Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX was born during the reign of the Netherlands. He was born in Dalam Pangnungratan, Sompelan Ngasem, village of Saturdaipaing, April 12, 1912, or according to the Japanese Islamic dates on the Ramingulakir in the years Jimakir 1842. Then after reaching adulthood, he was appointed a priest with the title Adipati Anom Hamengkubuwono Negara Sudibyo Raja Putra Narendra ing Mataram, and was crowned Sultan with the title Sampean Dalem ingkang sinuwun Kangjeng Sultan Hamengkubuwono Senopati Ingalaga Abdurrahman Sayyidin Panatagama Khalifatullah IX. Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX is a national figure who has contributed a lot in the development of the scouting world in this country because his role is very influential on the rest of Indonesia, namely by forming a scouting movement organization where the scouting organization movement is very important to build the character of today young generation students over his role and service in the fields of scouts. The figure of Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX is so attached to the hearts of scouts to this day. The role of Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX in building the scouting movement from the traditional route from scouting to becoming a scouting organization was so large that the Indonesian Scout movement at that time was known abroad. In 1973, Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX received the highest award from the World Organization of the Scout Movement or the International Scout Organization, namely the Bronze Award. For his service and contribution to the national scouting scene, Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX was made the father of Indonesian Scout in the 1988 national meeting of the scouting movement, which was held in Dili, Timor. The beginning of the axis of Indonesian national scouting education has existed and developed since the pioneering period of Indonesian independence. The scouting movement in Indonesia is a forum for fostering the younger generation to prepare the nation young cadres in the context of fighting for Indonesian independence. The scouting organization that was founded in 1916 also raised the spirit of the national movement. The education of the Scout movement is that which leads to love for the nation and state. So it is important to start from an early age to instill a sense of love for the nation. Scouting education is one of the means of instilling love for the nation, as has been stated in the second Dasa Dharma, namely love of nature and profession for fellow human beings. Thus, the Scout movement has a major role as a forum for the regeneration of Indonesian children and youth to be aware of the love for the Indonesian homeland. Then, after his many roles in the fields of the scouting, Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX died in Washington DC, United States on October 2, 1988, at the age of 76 years.